Do you remember Icon's Airmada Bioskull? Then the new Airmada Mechanica should look pretty familiar. The iridescent silver on black, the futuristic, sort of alien, sort of industrial graphics are all inspired by the previous look. And it's one of numerous helmets slated to hit the market inspired by classic Icon graphics, so keep your eyes peeled. If you want to get your hands on the Airmada Mechanica, follow the link in the description. And be sure to subscribe to Rider's Domain for more product spotlights and motorcycle reviews.